Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronia, and in today's video I thought we would do something a little bit different, and what I thought I would do is actually show you guys our food shopping trip for this week. So I thought let's do a little bit of a grocery haul. So today is actually Friday. We normally go shopping every Friday, or we try to at least, because it's a bit easier since Friday is a bit of a down day. So I thought, why not actually take you guys on a trip so you can see what we actually buy during the week. Now, as a disclaimer, it's worth noting that we don't have any food intolerances, and I am not a dietitian or anything like that. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because I know a lot of you guys always ask me how we're able to stick to our food budget, how we've got a food budget that is relatively quite low and stuff like that. So I thought, why not just do a video just showing you guys how we eat. And I do already have some videos as well talking about different grocery hauls that I've done in the past, so make sure you do check them out. I will link them in the description below for you. But essentially what I want to do is just walk through what we typically eat in a week and update you guys on how much we actually end up spending this week. So essentially, when it comes to our food budget, before we even go to the supermarket, what we will essentially do is actually plan our meals in advance so that we know, what kind of ingredients we need to be buying at the shops. So what I will basically do is just think about it on my phone, and I will usually plan like 3 meals plus mine and my husband's lunch. So we actually have different lunches because he tends to eat like whole meals for lunches, whereas I just eat avocado and eggs on toast, and that's basically my lunch every day. So what essentially I will do is just plan out the meals and then figure out what we actually need to buy from the supermarket. Right, so we are going to be making a list because we need to plan out our meals. So what I'm thinking is doing salmon pasta for one meal, fried rice and chicken for another meal, and then because we'll have a lot of chicken left over, we already have sweet potatoes and normal potatoes as well. So I'm thinking we'll make like some type of roast with the chicken and mixed vegetables. What do you like for lunch?
I expect my wife to
What?
make that decision. Fair enough. I've done this list already.
You haven't tuna mayonnaise? So what are you having for lunch? Oh, you put black bean sauce. Is that rice?
No. Well.
Oh, well done. Do we have butter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Did you add the salmon?
Mm-hmm.
So salmon, need coconut milk, cream.
Cream?
Yeah.
For what?
For the pasta.
Oh yeah.
We have cheese already, I think.
Yeah, we do.
Chicken thighs.
Can we go now?
Yes, we can go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see the list.
Focus.
Anyway.
Focus. Say it. Focus. Say it.
Focus.
Can't believe he did that.
Anyway, so I think we've got a list, and yeah, we're just gonna go take a trip to Aldi. So I will see you guys there. And if you're liking this video so far, then feel free to give me a thumbs up, as it really does help to support the channel, plus it's free. So we are currently, oh gosh, a bit shaky. We're currently on our way to Aldi. The only thing, like with the area that we live in, the closest Aldi, you actually have to pay for parking. You have to pay £1 for parking, which is like a couple of dollars. So yeah, you end up having to pay, like, if you go every week, obviously £4 a month or £4 to £5 a month, depending on how often we shop there. So yeah, it's not great, but actually it still ends up being cheaper compared to going to like another supermarket like Tesco. So we're still gonna do it. So yeah, we're on our way there now. Anything you'd like to say for our food shop?
Drive safe.
Drive safe. Shopping time! Okay, so we've just come back from our Aldi shop, and it was quite a good week shop that we got, and we ended up spending $34.29, so pretty much bang on target. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of what we're going to be making this week. I think we've got different proteins. We've got salmon, chicken, beef for Yinka's lunch, and we have also got different fruits. So we've got like vegetables like beetroot, sweet corn, we got bananas, avocados, spinach. So hopefully I'm going to use some of that to make a smoothie, and some of that will also be used for dinner. And yeah, we also got some cheeky snacks as well, so we're not always 100% healthy. We got some crisps and some chocolates and some biscuits as well. So yeah, of course I'm gonna like kind of maybe do something during the week where I show you guys how I make the dinner. And yeah, we're gonna go home now. I don't actually want to say anything because like you're driving, so I don't want to distract you. Yeah, cool. Hey guys, so we are back and we have done our shop, and yeah, I'm very happy to see that we were on target, which was amazing. And I think we did get quite a few stuff actually. It felt like a bigger shop than before because we did have other stuff to buy, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that's gone. It's also worth noting as well that we aren't vegan or anything, so we do eat proteins like chicken and stuff like that, depending on how much you eat and things like that. That's going to depend on maybe the cost, but when we shop at places like Aldi, we've realized that it just makes it so much more cheaper, and we still get quite good quality food as well. So what I'm going to be doing is going through the week and letting you know how I do with our food budget. All right guys, as you can see, I am not dolled up today because today is a Saturday and it is partly my rest day. However, I have planned actually to do a bit of meal prepping. The reason being is just because I usually do my meal preps on Sundays, but tomorrow, which is a Sunday, is actually quite busy because we've got 2 services at church tomorrow, plus we've got a family event after, and then also I have my YouTube live in the evening. So just looking at it, it just feels like I just will not be in the mood to start cooking or frantically cooking after my live. So what I've decided to do is actually batch some of the cooking today. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to be marinating the chicken, which we are hopefully going to have for dinner today and also during the week. So I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'm probably going to make like a jerk chicken and then also either teriyaki or honey glazed chicken. Most of like the seasonings we already have in the house. We don't usually have to buy seasonings that often, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna have that either with normal potatoes or sweet potatoes. I'm not too sure yet. Also going to try and make the salmon pasta. So that is basically jerk salmon and pasta. So I will season the salmon with like different jerk seasonings and then also make that with pasta. And we actually bought the pasta in our food shop, as well as coconut milk. We bought cream, and we also have cheese. Didn't buy cheese because we already bought cheese last week and we still had some left over. So we're gonna have the salmon pasta, and we're probably gonna eat that tomorrow and then sometime during the week. And then the other thing I want to try and get done is Yinka's lunch. So he has chosen to have beef and he wants that with bulgur wheat, so I'm gonna try and like make that. I think he bought like either a black bean sauce or another type of sauce that he wanted it with, so I'm just gonna like bung some vegetables in with the beef and then have that with the bulgur wheat, and that will be for his lunch for the week. In terms of my lunch, literally all I eat is avocado and eggs on toast. So that's pretty much my lunch, which is very easy. So I just make that literally every day. So yeah, I'm just gonna now start cooking and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, this is Yinka's lunch pretty much done. So it's got some beef, some mixed veg and some peppers and spinach with some seasonings and black bean sauce. And then we've currently got the chicken in the oven, and that is wrapped in foil so that it can enjoy that sweet, sweet seasoning. And here's the salmon pasta. I think this will probably do two or three meals, I'd say. Okay, so here we have some of the chicken. I'm actually going to freeze some because there's quite a lot there, so we can use that for next week. But yeah, we're going to be having this for dinner today and sometime during the week. Hey guys, so today is actually Monday. So on Saturday, just as a recap, what I did is I made Yinka's lunch for the week, and then I also batched some pasta. So I made jerk salmon pasta, and we actually had that on Sunday, and I'm planning for us to have that also on Tuesday and Thursday, because actually it was quite a lot that I ended up making. So that should do us for 3 meals, which is great. And then on Saturday, I had also made chicken as well. So I batched some chicken, and we actually ended up having some chicken on Sunday night. I did that with some roast potatoes and some mixed veg. But also what I'm going to be doing today on Monday is actually making fried rice so that we can have that with the chicken as well. So I'm going to make the fried rice today, and we're going to have that today for dinner, and then also on Wednesday as well. So we'll have fried rice Monday and Wednesday, pasta Tuesday and Thursday, and then on Friday, I'm not sure, we may end up having a takeaway. We do also still have some prawn stew left, so that's something that I made last week, and I froze some because again I made quite a big batch, which means it's going to be really useful. So we may either end up having that on Friday or we might have it on Saturday. So one of these days we probably will have like a takeaway or something, but obviously we're going to be going shopping on Friday anyway, so we might decide to have something completely different. Okay guys, so what I thought I would do is literally just list out every single item we bought, because I've realized that I didn't mention every single thing in the video. So this is in no particular order. I actually took a screenshot of the receipt on my phone. So what we ended up buying is frozen sweet corn, which came to 95 pence. We also bought diced beef, which was £2.99. Then we also bought salmon fillets, which was £4.19. We also bought chicken thighs, which was £1.79. Chicken drumsticks, which was £1.49. Pasta, a pack of pasta, 500 grams for 45 pence. Caster sugar for £1.35. Soya milk, which was 1 for 55 pence. Light mayonnaise for 41 pence. Coconut milk for 59 pence. Tuna, which was £2.39 pence. Something called Jive, which is basically chocolate bars, which was 62 pence. 2 packets of digestive biscuits, which were 45 pence each. A kilogram of oats, which was 89 pence. A pack of crackers, which was 79 pence. A fruit cereal bar, which was 85 pence. Another cereal bar, which is called Munch cereal bar, for another 85 pence. Pack of peppers, which came to 96 pence. Beetroot, which came to 69 pence. We bought baby spinach, and that came to 89 pence. Avocados, these were kind of small avocados, and that was £1.05. Bananas, which was 65 pence. Custard, which was 42 pence. Black bean sauce stir fry package, which were 35 pence each, so we bought 3 of them. Double cream, which was 89 pence. Yogurt, which was £1.89. Cheese puffs, which was 99 pence. Prawn cocktail crisp, which was 69 pence. Brioche roll, which was 89 pence. And a 15 pack of caged eggs, which was £1.18. And all of that came to $34.29, which again is around $47. Now, of course, there's been a lot of talk about food prices increasing, but we haven't necessarily found that to be the case yet for our own personal shop. It might be because of where we're actually shopping, and typically because we do certain things that allows us to actually keep our food costs relatively low, but we're still able to eat quite well. So hopefully some of these tips may actually help you with your own food shop going forward, especially if you haven't done any of these things already. And if you do feel like maybe you overspend a lot when it comes to food, or you overspend in different areas, not just food but in anything else, then I do of course offer one-to-one coaching. So what I can do is actually help you figure out why you're overspending and how you can actually overcome that overspending so that you can put that money to better use. So definitely check out my one-to-one one-to-one coaching program. If you haven't already, you can book a free interest call with me. So I'll link more information up here for you and in the description below. So if you did like this video, then please do give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments, how much do you typically spend on your food shop? I do post every Tuesday and Friday, so if you would like to know more, then of course you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on Friday.